Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device. So actually how to manage it. So firstly, let's enter the settings and here we have to tap on Accounts and Backup. Now we have to tap on Manage Accounts. And as you can see here, we've got our previously added Google account. What's more, you can do actually everything using this Google section, but I personally prefer to do it using Accounts and Backup. So let me show you how to do it right here. So in order to remove the account, just tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again. And as you can see, it actually immediately disappears. Obviously, from this step, you can also add new account. So just tap on this option, tap on Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. I've got it saved, so just tap on Next if you're ready. And here we have to enter the password. So let me do this out of the screen. Okay, now let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you will have all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on Accept. And as you can see, our Google account immediately appears on this list. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.